Hey everyone, something a bit different today. This is my Venus flytrap that lives on the kitchen windowsill, and as you can see it looks like a fly in there, but that is actually a skeleton because it's taken the nutrients from that fly and then it opens up again ready to catch the next one. Now back in the spring this had flowers, the white flowers, quite pretty but nothing overly exciting. It's more the traps that people go for, but I kept the seeds from the flowers and surprisingly I think most of them grew. So I've got all these little baby fly traps which I'm going to be looking for homes for some of them because I really don't need this many. So what I'm going to do today is just pot them out into individual little pots so they can grow on, keep a few and then give some away. Now this is the carnivorous plant soil mix that I'm going to use, and specifically for Venus flytraps, pitcher plants and sundews, because you can't plant them in ordinary potting compost because they don't want any nutrients in their soil. I've just tipped some of the potting mix into this old bowl, it makes it easier to work with, and I'm going to pot them out individually into these square pots here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just using this old wooden skewer because I don't want to just tip them all out because I'm going to be triggering all the traps. So I just want to tease that out as best I can. There we are, one little fly trap baby. Position him on there. Now some of the traps go black after a time, but that's quite normal, that's just old leaves. So you can just snip these off. And just gently pop that down. Right, there we are, one little fly trap in its own pot. And it's already filled the pot, hasn't it? So it just shows that they did need potting out. So I'm going to work around the others. I've got those potted up. Some of them look a little bit bedraggled at the moment. It's difficult not to trigger some of the traps, but they soon pull back up. I've actually got 17 here, and I think it was about 20 seeds I planted, so I'm really pleased with those. Now all I need to do is water them. Now they need to be kept like the soil damp, you can't let them dry out, and only use rainwater. Now what I do when it rains, I just put containers outside to catch the rainwater, and then I just store it in some bottles, make sure there's no residue of the bottled water in there, give them a good drain out so they're completely dry. And then I have a store of rainwater when it's really dry, because we haven't had rain here for a long time. We've had a couple of quite heavy showers and that's about it all the way through the summer so far. So all I'm going to do here, I'll just take that one out of the corner so I can show you. So I'm just going to water these from the bottom, put quite a bit in, and then keep an eye on it, because once the surface of the pot is wet, then we're okay, and just keep a little bit of rainwater in the tray at all times. But there we are, my new babies, and like I say, I don't really need 17 new fly traps. I should keep some, but I shall find homes for some once they've settled, grown a bit more. So, let's say bye for now and see you next time.